So, we are now continuing on the chart symbols and abbreviation. So, this edition of chart 5011 is based on the chart specification of the IHO, or International Hydrographic Organization. It is adopted in 1982. With later addition and correction, the layout and numbering accords with the official IHO version of chart INT1 English version produced by Germany. So, as you can see, the number one is the tracks, and this is called the section, and the number two is a section designation. So, in some nautical publication, this reference is a prefix I for international. So, on the number three, as you can see, the tracks, this is a subsection, and the number four is the tracks marked by lights. So, this is a cross conference to terms in other section. So, in the number five, as you can see in the column 1, that is a numbering following the international chart specification of the IHO. A letter in this column indicates a supplementary navigational symbol for which there is no international equivalent. So in the 6 and the number 2 column, this is international symbols used on Admiralty charts, where both are shown true to scale representation are to the left of symbols. So the column 3 or the number 7, this is term and explanation in English. So this is what the explanation about in the number 6 is a leading line. The firm line is a track to be followed. So in the column 4 or number 8 in this term, this is a other symbol or abbreviation used in adventure charts and different from the column 2. So the column 5, this is not navigationally significant. Cross-reference to chart specification of the IHO info Part B unless a reference letter to another part is given. So this is the symbols of the lights. So as you can see, the big star and the small star. So the big star is a major light and the small star is a minor light. And this is and the LT, and this is from the lighthouse. And this is with the red box and a dot. That is a light offshore platform. So a light beacon tower. So this is the light beacon tower. And lighted beacon on smaller scale charts where navigation within range of the day mark is unlikely lighted because are charted slowly as lights. So, in the rectangle with the symbol, major floating lights, light vessel, major light float, large automatic navigation buoy, or the abbreviation of its landby. So this is from the landmarks in the windmill and the tower and the lighthouse. And this is a navigation light and landmark for other structures. And thus, and so this writing here, this is the example of light description and the example of lighted buoys. And this is also the example of unlit buoys. So the light characters. So as you can see here, the fixed, this also the standby standby lights. So occulting, duration of the light longer than duration of darkness. So this is the single occulting, and the group occulting is the series of two lights, and the composite of group occulting and a series of two and three lights, and this is the duration of light and darkness equal isophase. The isophase is longer flashing one lights. So this is a flashing duration of flash shorter than duration of darkness. So single flashing. A group of flashing is a group of three. And the composite of group flashing, this is the 2 and 1. So long flashing, so this flash is 2 seconds or longer. So this is only one series lights. So this is quick, continuous quick. So these lights can go to 60 to 79 or 50 to 60 flashes per minute. So this is a continuous quick, and this is a group quick, which is the series of three, and the interrupted quick. This is the interrupted quick. So and there's a very quick. This quick, very quick, can usually take to 80 to 159 usually 100 or 120 flashes per minute. So this is the VQ, continuous very quick, and the VQ with a group very quick with a series of three lights. So and this is the uninterrupted very quick. So ultra quick, 160 or more, usually 240 to 300 flashes per minute. So this is the UQ, continuous ultra quick, and this is the uninterrupted ultra quick, and this is the Morse code and the fixed flashing, and this is the alternating lights. So this is the reference the report was taken.